Hello everyone! Today I'll walk you through the straightforward process of rendering or exporting your video in DaVinci Resolve. Let's jump right in. Begin by navigating to the Delivery tab. Decide whether you want to export the entire timeline or a specific section. To select a portion, position the timeline where you want the clip to start and press I on your keyboard. Similarly, position it where you want to end and press O. Now move to the render settings. Opt for custom export for more flexibility. Provide a name for your video like subscribe, and choose your desired save location on your computer. Under the Video tab, ensure the Export Video option is enabled. For resolution, select either 1080p HD or 4K Ultra HD, based on your preference. Adjust the frame rate accordingly. For quality, choose the Restrict option. If exporting in HD, a bitrate of 10,000 kilobytes is sufficient. However, for 4K, consider a bitrate of at least 40,000 kilobytes for optimal quality. Once settings are adjusted, click Add to Render Queue. Now click Render All, and your video will begin exporting. Once completed, right-click on the finished video to reveal its location on your computer, allowing you to view it. And there you have it. That's how you render or export your video in DaVinci Resolve.